Project is a prototype of automatic fire alarm and smoke detector system. It works on the principle of detection of the fire by sensing rise in temperature or sensing the smoke using flame sensor and smoke sensor. As soon as the fire or smoke sensor is detected, the circuit becomes live, thereby giving an audio alarm and simultaneously activating the water sprinkler. Schematic diagram for this project. For the input, I use flame sensor, smoke sensor, and push button. For the output, I use LCD, buzzer as the alarm system, motor as water sprinkler, and LED as the indicator. This is the schematic diagram and coding for the project. I will explain the flow of the coding and the simulation. This is the schematic diagram and coding for the project. This is my schematic circuit diagram and coding for the automatic fire alarm and smoke detector system. When we run the simulation, LCD will display the title of the project is Fire and Smoke Detector, and it will delay for 2 seconds. The motor not running at this condition. Then it starts to read the flame and smoke sensor value, then display on LCD and digital terminal. If you can see on the coding, it will check the emergency button status. If emergency button status at low condition, it will change the value of emergency status from 0 to 1. If the value emergency status is low, it will do this part. So that's why the LCD displays safe and the LCD green high, because both sensor at low condition. So it will do, if the value of flame or smoke sensor at high condition, it will do this command. It will display warning, motor will be running, buzzer will on, LED red will be high. If it's low, it will back to the initial condition. If we press the yes button, it will be high. When it's at high condition, it will do this part. And if we press again, it will be stopped.